Oh, it's right in the street. Thank you. Thanks a lot. I'm broken. Thank you. Trigger. Stick around today as I try my hand at a little speed running for the first time with my Triple B, the Budget Bandit build. And yeah, I'm totally amateur to this, guys. Just looking to do something a little different with my Bandit. I acquired this Max10 SCT combo on Facebook used. Great deal. It's a pretty wicked setup because I've been running dirt track with this thing, with this identical setup. So today we're going to be running a 2S speed run, 3S speed run. Hopefully in the future, this Max10 SCT is 4S capable. So maybe, you know, the next video will be 4S. See what happens. So to accommodate the 5mm shaft on the 3660 motor, for whatever reason I decided to go to 32 pitch. Yeah, even though the 48 pitch has not failed me whatsoever, but Paul at my hobby shop had the parts available, so I bought this spur gear. It's a 54. I believe it comes on the Jado. I'm unfamiliar, to be honest. And I use the Robinson Racing 19T pinion. Thing runs really great with this setup. So I'll show you what other tweaks I did to it to make it a little more speed run ready. But today is a great time. We're going to run 2S and 3S. Only one 2S run really because it's not super fast, but 3S wakes it up and we have some interesting challenges today. Get that pinion set nicely and let's rock. Hey crew, Philly B got a Traxxas Bandit. He's been running it on the track, but honestly, all the guys and gals in my Facebook groups are really motivating me to do different things with it because it is such a cool platform. So today we're going to try a little speed run action. Let me show you what I have done to it. Max10 SCT Hobbywing with a 4000 kV 3660, and I'm using a Mayland GPS. I'm hoping that it'll just sit right there in the car. We're just gonna have a couple runs with it, and I did convert to 32 pitch. Hopefully you can see that. And I put some 14mm hexes with some Hoon 11s, which I believe comes stock on the Vendetta, ARRMA Vendetta. I'm going to start with a 2S battery. This is an Ovonic. And then I will show you the battery for a 3S. Let's try both. So I've squatted the suspension. I've basically put fronts on the rear and another set of fronts, but I've limited them to about 1/2 inch. So I've got very little travel here. I tried to center out the toe. There's the GPS. It is ready to go. So let's do a couple passes. New for me, I'm using a GT5 FlySky transmitter. Loving it thus far. Okay, first 2S run. Essentially my first time ever really messing with this. What kind of braking area do I have here? Oh, there's a curb. Okay, we'll go for the grass. Okay, let's rock. Ah, 2S is nothing to tell the neighbors about. I want to get it too hot. Plenty of full throttle. So yeah, keep in mind we're at 19 tooth pinion, which is not so aggressive. Let's bring her in, see what we got. I know you're right in the sun, sorry. Man, this thing looks tough as nails though. $39. 3S DXF 5000. I'm in the back of my vehicle. I don't know if you guys could see that. Truly hope I'm not ruining any wires. I'm not going to put the cable stay in there because it's so snug. 1, 2, 3, beautiful. Speedo seems to lay in there just fine. It's gonna be fun. I embrace all suggestions, guys. Throw them in the comments. I'm just having fun. Tired of breaking so many parts when always bashing. Although it's so much fun, but you know, this platform I got so cheap, and I just love everything that it does. Let's check it out. GPS is zeroed out. First 3S run. Like I said, if you guys have any suggestions for gearing, looking forward to just messing around with this car a little bit. Let's see if the front end will stay down. Oof. Okay, here we go. Hopefully these people don't walk out in front. Woo! All right, I can't see it, shadow. That was fun. I think I got some full trigger there. The nose popped up just a little bit. Let's try one more. I don't know if these people are going to pull out or not. Yeah, I might not miss them. Okay, see if we can beat them. Here we go. Trigger. Woo! That was just for a moment. Man, I almost don't have enough parking lot here. Ooh, that's a curb. Okay, let's bring it in real slow. Amateur night here, guys. Those felt pretty quick, though. Honestly, I believe it has a lot more in it. Heat is good. Hoping these people pull out so I can try another. Where are we at? Oh no! I lost my GPS. All right, we can claim the speed is whatever we wish at this point. Okay, I'm going to find that. I think I see it. Tapped out of the car as I hit this curb upon braking. Oh, I thought that was all grass. That's curb too, or asphalt anyhow. 56.8. Mild setup. The Hoons must be grabbing pretty good because it brakes pretty good for two-wheel drive at that speed. I'm shocked. Now, should I warm these tires up? All right, zeroed out. So what did I say? This is a 54 spur and a 19 pinion, 32 pitch. Honestly, I changed the shocks back to stock, put some knobbies on it, and you hit the track and you get warm after a little while, but you know, it could be worse. So we're definitely gonna gear up. I'm gonna get way down here so we can really get a taste of that top speed. Oh, hi. All right, here we go. 56.8. 3S. Woo. I can't see it. Oh, beautiful. I didn't hit anything. I still can't see it. He's booking. Look at the wing, guys. It's trashed. So yeah, we don't have much aero going on right now. I've seen guys take the wing right off. I've seen guys put something a little more sturdy. Front cowl. 55.3. Even less. I was kind of hesitant. I can't see the car. Let's do it again. Having said that, the terrain here, you can see I just did a little burnout. It's not very, very clean, kind of dusty. So, and you know what else is in question? I wanted to get GRPs. I don't even know if these tires are any good for this type of running, but they fit nice. Didn't break the bank. The B in Philly B stands for budget. You know what I mean? Let's try this again. Oh yeah, I did zero it out. Okay, I'm gonna get even deeper into the shadow so I'm not blinded by this sun. All right, that would have made sense earlier. Oh shoot, where's the car? Oh God. Okay, I gotta go get it. Oh, it's right in the street. Thank you. Thanks a lot. I'm broken. Thank you. I get out of range or? I must have hit something and wrecked my servo. It's stiff. I hear the saver. Oh gosh. Oh, okay. Fishy. Oh God, the alignment's off terribly. If I get down to here full throttle, I'll never stop it in time. We'll do what we can. Please don't turn in. All right, here we go. 3S full trigger. Oh God. Oh, I didn't hit a curb. I wish I could show you footage of me spinning out there. I have no idea what's visible, but we were cooking. $57.6. Right on. How's the heat? I can keep my finger on it. I don't know. Let's try one more. This is fun. Nice night. I'm sweating. That was the biggest run that I've done in a while, unfortunately. I'm thinking a little aero with that wing will help. And I'm thinking at least 30 tooth pinion. Imagine I'll just keep the spur where it's at. You know what? I'm gonna get closer so I can start braking quicker. Wonder if I can see it from this end. It helps me. Oh, I can't lose that building. Let me try it. Let me try it. All right. A lot of curbs up there. All right, ease into her. Trigger. Oh, it is just enough parking lot. Oh my God. That is just enough parking lot. That is awesome. Got to get lucky sometimes. God, this thing looks so cool. Ah, 55.4. That's it. We'll keep messing around. That's it for tonight. Be curious to see what 4S will do on the next run. I will go buy a battery. I don't own one. Same setup, just like this. That'll be our next run. Budget build Borelli, Philly B. Thanks for watching, guys. Keep it real. GoPro, stop recording.